Sure, he's so far. My copyright has fallen off. So this is it. Our first ever multi-day motorbike trip. 3 days, 2 bikes, and a route we've planned to take us from home along the coast all the way to Land's End.
Day 1, back roads, scenic routes. We think we're ready. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, my recording on my 360 is not working with my remote control, which is very interesting. I'll try to record again. Ah, there we go. It worked! It worked! Sure, he's so far. My copyright has fallen off. That is interesting.
Got it?
Yeah, I caught it. Well, eventful again to the start of our ride. This time Neil's copyright decided to come off his motorbike just after starting. BMW's app didn't want to connect to the bike. Other than that, DJI is working flawlessly, so that's quite good. We swapped one technology problem for another. We'll get there, slowly getting them out the way.
We're only 30 miles in and dropped the bike already. So we're in the Glastonbury area now. And the views up here are spectacular. Can't wait to see what the coastline looks like. That should be really amazing. Kurviger's done it again. We're in somebody's driveway. It says we can do 60. I don't know how. Oh. This looks less like a driveway. Looks like another driveway.
It is a driveway. We'll see the house at the end of this. Opening my visor for some bugs and fresh air. Let's close it again. Sure, just in time. There's big bugs here.
It's absolutely so warm today. It's lovely to be in the sun, but with this jacket, I should have taken the inner out.
That's a big hole. Damn. See? Told you it was someone's driveway. Look at that.
This is why the route's going to take a while, because we've got lots of these back roads. So we can't go very fast.
Yeah, it's like very interesting route. I don't know what the curvy route would have been like, but this is This is curvy, then there's extra curvy, and I think extra curvy would have been a bit much. Yeah, I think that's more of a bicycle route than a motorbike route.
Yes.
Miles an hour. We're currently doing 40, but we've, as you'll probably see previously, earlier, passed by 2 massive tractors and then pedestrians. So yeah, very interesting little road that we've been taken on. Nice, but interesting.
Now I wonder if we're going to go on any roads that are narrower than this.
I'm hoping there's nothing narrower than this.
We had limited packing space as well, so it's basically just a top box each.
Well, it's a good thing. If you had a side one, it probably would have been damaged.
Yeah, when I dropped the bike.
When you took a dive into the bush. Leanne's taking us down an even narrower road. Have a look at this. My goodness me. She asked if we could get anything narrower than what we were on a few minutes ago. Her wish has been granted. I'm keeping my visor slightly open to get air because we're going so slowly. But the amount of bugs that are coming into my helmet is just freaking amazing.
Yeah, it's so slow the airflow is not going through the jacket.
Yeah, I'm busy cooking in the jacket, so this is probably why I couldn't find any petrol stations en route.
Probably why, yes.
I have a small inkling of a feeling they wouldn't be on a road like this. It's going to be interesting to see what the next 2.5 days are like of riding.
Especially as we go more south.
Steep downhill, single track.
Terrible. Oh, and I left my sunbars down. Free my hand at the moment. Oh, goodness.
I'm busy misting up because I'm going so slowly.
Okay, we're coming up to the road.
Are we?
Yes.
Are you sure?
We're joining the road.
Look at that. Where are we going? Taking a right.
Yeah.
Ew. 25% gradient, not too shabby.
Ew. Wow, to lean forward.
That is something else. Damn. Very cool.
So different. Another tight corner. Wow.
Not bad.
This is the steepest I've been on.
I'm cramping.
Oh, big tractor.
Very nice.
One of the highlights, seeing ponies.
I think Leanne's in her element. Horses to the right, or ponies, whatever they might be.
So cool. I can see the sea on my right.
And there in the distance, somewhere, is ocean.
There's another 11%.
A little steep one. This is down, not up.
Yes. Oh, look at the sea.
Low gear, low gear. Whoa. How cool is that? That's nice. Park and enjoy the view.
Hopefully we can do that at the bottom. Fun.
Tucked away in the creases of the coastline. We stopped in Lynmouth for a much needed break, water, rest for our backsides, and a hunt for the toilets.
The card machine for ladies was out of order, but a little queue had formed with everyone holding the door open for each other.
So what, have we had enough of dropping bikes and finding other people's homes that we've taken the more direct route to our stop for the day.
Yes, but it also means we need to go through a few more big towns, which I was trying to avoid, but oh well.
Oh well. Such is life.
Yes, we do have another stop at the headland somewhere, I think, that I've put into the route, so it's not like we're going straight to the accommodation.
We will check that wind.
Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, it's going over a bridge in this wind. Ew. Gonna find out what that's like.
Yep.
Tall bridge.
Built in 2007.
That's a cool view.
That's a very cool view.
Very windy. I love it.
Yeah,
Oh my soul.
that is interesting to say the least.
Oh my soul. I better just stay upright.
Yeah, stay upright, don't do anything crazy.
Wow.
Second exit, eh? So straight across.
Yes, straight. Wow, that was an experience.
We are back in business. Another nice narrow, tight lane.
Yeah, I think I should get out of this habit.
I suppose. Well, this is what we were expecting when we came to this part of the world. So, thankfully, we're not on four wheels. Well, we are, but individually we're on two. Do you mean we're not going to the point at the beach?
No, I don't think so.
I'm so
I
disappointed.
swear it must have gone already.
So disappointed.
Well, it's 10 to 5, so we've definitely been riding all day. Started off, I think, around 10 a.m. It's been good.
That was day 1 done. Tomorrow we're heading further down the coast, all the way to Land's End. See you there.